Hello, this is TEJENDRA PRATHAP Singh. I came to this Jspider for the Java full stack training. Here, the Shishra sir had taught me the core Java concepts, and like Gautam sir advanced Java, and Reza sir SQL, and various faculty like Shoaib sir, Shashi sir, Dashwan sir, and all are very good, helpful in nature. They have like from the basic they are teaching. It's very good. It's very helpful if you are coming from some college where you are not gain, like you have not done your things very well, but you can come here and find like you can get a place within after 3 to 4 months getting like full training, which is not only getting into the company but also helpful after surviving also like in the company. And